Swift completes testing on Hbar and other ISO 20022 tokens. What's next for Hbar? We will discuss these questions and other news in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Keeper channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in everything around Hbar. Let's talk about Swift and Hedera. Swift completes testing on Hbar and other ISO 20022 tokens. Hbar, in the context of tests with Swift, is not viewed as a payment coin, but as infrastructure for tokenization and data settlement. The network is positioned as a backend layer for financial systems. At the same time, Swift is not selecting a single blockchain, but testing multiple solutions, including Hedera. All of them are expected to operate together through the ISO 20022 standard. The key model is that Swift remains the messaging layer while blockchains handle execution and settlement. The main use case for Hbar is tokenization of assets such as bonds, currencies, and securities. An important point is that Hbar does not need to win to be relevant. It only needs to be part of the ecosystem. The broader vision is a hybrid financial system where banks, Swift, and blockchains operate together. Development is expected around 2026, driven by the growth of CBDCs and tokenization. However, everything is still at the testing and research stage. There is no confirmed adoption or selection of Hbar. For investors, this means Hbar has potential as a long-term infrastructure asset, but also carries risks due to competition and lack of guaranteed usage. Also, let's talk about Hbar just hit a key level that changes everything. The digital currency landscape is heating up, and Hbar is making waves. On a day when the broader markets have pulled out impressive gains, Hedera hashgraph's Hbar is catching eyes, but not in the way traders might expect. Currently sitting at a precarious $0.08703, traders are bracing for potential moves that could surprise even seasoned investors. But here's where it gets interesting. Hbar is teetering at critical support levels, making now a pivotal moment for this cryptocurrency. What moves next could define its trajectory for weeks to come. In the shadows of bullish broader market movements, Hbar has found itself in a sideways shuffle, defying the risk-on fervor that has gripped the likes of the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100. Yet, amidst the cautious consolidation, a storm of social media buzz has surfaced, stirring speculation and transforming Hbar into a prime player on investors' watch lists. Why Hbar is trading now? The social media chatter is relentless, and here's why Hbar is at the forefront. With an innovative platform that promises faster and more efficient transactions than its blockchain counterparts, Hedera hashgraph has always been a topic of intrigue. Currently, it's the subject of rampant discussions across crypto communities. The surge in attention is fueled by recent partnerships and adoption news that, while not fully crystallized, have electrified its community. Yet, without significant fundamental catalysts backing this recent excitement, the hype might lack the necessary fuel for sustainable growth. Key levels to monitor include the critical 0.0900 resistance, a breakout from which could solidify a bullish reversal. However, failure to hold above $0.0850 might spell trouble, hinting at a possible slide towards stronger supports. Technical deep dive. Diving deeper into Hbar's technical landscape reveals a complex picture. Traditional chart patterns like head and shoulders or triangles remain elusive, with price action showing more signs of aimless consolidation. However, several key technical indicators are worth noting. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, sits at 37, suggesting that while HBAR is not yet oversold, it edges closer to that territory, hinting at potential downward pressure. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, paints a similarly cautious picture with a bearish stance. The MACD line is below the signal line, albeit with a slightly positive histogram. So, breaking above $0.0900 with increased volume would confirm a bullish reversal, essential for considering a more aggressive long position. Do you think Hbar will reach $1 this year? Disclaimer. This video does not pressure you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts on Hbar in the comments, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time we post a new video.